In this video, we are going to talk about how to recover your deleted files using a free app, so let's get started. Open your browser and search for Recuva. It's a free app from CC Cleaner. It's also available on Microsoft Store. You can search it on Microsoft Store and you'll find it. And from here, just select download. The free version is enough. Download and it will start downloading. After that, install the app just like how you install any other app. Search for Recuva. Open the app. Now this is the interface. Click on next. From here it's asking you what type of files that you are looking for. If you want to search for everything, you can select all files. If you want pictures, if you want videos, you can select whatever you want or compress. So let's select pictures and next. Now it's asking you where was the file that you are looking for. So you can select, for example, if it was on local disk C, D, E, or if it was on your documents or on your recycle bin. So you can select where it was. So this makes the recovery process much faster and doesn't take much time. So you can select a specific location. Let's select, for example, this in recycle bin and click on next. Now you have this option, enable deep scan. If you enable this option, it's going to take much longer time, but it's going to recover. Like if you have deleted some files few years ago and you want to recover it, you can recover it using deep scan. Not everything can be recovered, but you can use it. Let's start with normal scan for now and select start. Now it's going to start scanning the file or the drive and it's going to show you a window with the recovered files. So let's wait. Now after it finishes, it will show you this window. This window contains all the recovered files that you are looking for. Remember that we used the fast scan, not the deep scan. So it's not going to recover old files. But for now we have these files here. And let's say, for example, if these were videos, some files you can recover and some files you can't recover. So if it's a file like this, it shows you the state of the file excellent, you can recover it. And sometimes if it says excellent, you may recover it, but the file is corrupted and it doesn't work, the video won't play. And you need to select any file you want from here. So let's say we have selected this image and this like that. And let's select these two. Click on recover and select the location you want to save these files to. So let's select here Ahmed PC and let's put it on pictures. Okay. Now if you go to the location, pictures, you will find the files here. You remember that this file that is marked red. If you see it here, we can't open it. It doesn't show anything. And these are the other files. So you can recover it like that. So as I told you before, not everything can be recovered, but this is a free app and I've tried it before. And there's also another apps that work the same way, but they are paid apps. And you can recover files that you deleted few years ago. So you can try this app and you may find what you were looking for. So everyone, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.